Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a man riding a horse, so a man on a horse. So what we'll do is we're basically just exploring the anatomy. So one line here, so head, shoulders, hands, excuse me, so a slight curvature there, if you will, lower part of the torso, feet, or 1 foot on one side, and then arc, another arc right there, another arc right here, and of course this huge arc right here. You could even go like this, it doesn't matter, and then oval, 2 lines there, circle, and as you see that it's already materializing somewhat into a horse. Another oval right here, adjoining, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, and at the back, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and somewhere, depending on the angle, there will be another leg. So that is the basic outline of the man and the horse. So let's quickly flesh this out. So nothing fancy, it's just a standard image that we are working with. So right around those lines, eyes of the horse right here, the always characteristic and accentuated nostrils. There's depending on how big, how muscular the horse is, I'm just putting in some proportions for the muscle structure right around there, and I'm going around there just adding a hoof. Again, the legs can be longer, they can be, in fact, for the horse this side, I think it would be more accurate to bring them around here and make them more fleshy. But again, putting the guy down there with the flat foot, equally important in this case. So I'm going to just put in an arm like that, another arm just going there. So casual riding stuff, but I'm just going to put him flat out on the horse. There's one hand. I think it will help if you put one hand there. There's the back of the horse showing from this particular angle. Let's bring the joint over here somewhere higher, and the rest is not necessarily visible. There's the riding, the foot slot, the harness that can even go in front like this, and there will be the other leg in the background right there. Again, depending on, I'm going to make that higher. You could flesh this out, you can make the legs longer, but again, it's all up to what horse you are exactly looking to model here, how much hair he has, if he has a white patch here, if he doesn't. It is all dependent on what source you're referring to. And then of course we have the head right there. So it can depend on the angle that you're utilizing, of how far, how long, and exactly what horse you are modeling, how it's going to come across. But this is the essential practice in quickly putting it down. And of course, if I were to add a bit of muscle tone, let's say on the, or just tones plain for that matter, on the horse, I would go somewhat like that. So horses essentially look better if they are more muscular, because that is what they mostly are. And the most highlighted aspect in that is these forelegs, which carry a good part of the anatomy that propels the horses when they run. So again, all the details you could consider according to your preference, but what I'm just doing is putting in some crosshatch to highlight certain tones that are popularly utilized when we are talking about a horse. And similarly on the rider, I'm going to put in some tones there as well, depending on what he's wearing. Now, one easy way is to Google some images, and you'll be surprised at how many different sort of angles you can see when it comes to a person riding a horse. So let's give him a hat for the sake of popular conception. Tones, shadows. And there we are. And that's it. So again, the look of the horse, the anatomy, the pose will determine what is longer, what is shorter, but from this angle we can quickly flush it out like this. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.